It's delivery day for our 60-day beach house renovation, and we could not be more excited to share this dramatic before and after video footage captured by our white glove install crew. Here we are in guest bedroom number 3 with a full carpentry overhaul of doorways and closets, all cabinetry pulled out and refinished to reveal this dramatic beachfront hideaway. Heading into the guest bathroom, we see the original shower floor ready for tile work and the finished results with gleaming black subway tile, LED touch mirrors, and vanity lights mounted above the wash basin. Entering guest bedroom number 2, the same treatment, fully gutted and taped off closet system prepped for refinishing. And what a transformation with a beautiful Art Deco inspired art mural installed and a bank of gleaming cabinetry in Sherwin-Williams black magic. As we enter the main living space, which is a loft-like open plan, we see the most dramatic transformation of all. Custom drop ceiling, full lighting plan installed, and new soffits prepped for window treatments. Fully furnished with a bespoke dining table seats 8 and tandem emerald green sofas are clearly the stars here. The kitchen and butler's pantry feature vertically tiled walls with custom GE Cafe appliances, a brass faucet and hardware, and just too many upgrades to list here. Next, onto the primary bedroom, a masterful retreat with an Egyptian-themed art mural, custom sprayed air conditioning units throughout. The master washroom gets a dramatic treatment with smoked glass doors and a custom walk-in closet. Again, gleaming custom sprayed washroom fixtures, including a rain bath shower head and towel bars created especially for this unique project. As we end our tour in the dramatic entryway, we step off the elevator into a private vestibule, signaling the dramatic transformation ahead. What a decadent arrival for these new owners.